Guys, welcome back to another episode. So we had a bit of a brainwave. We are mixing two traditional products of South Africa into something delicious and some pasta goodness. Now we are going to be making a delicious Boerewors and Chakalaka pasta bake. Never done this before. It's going to be something new. Let's give it a try. So Boerewors, as we know, is South African. That's true to our culture. Chakalaka, same story. It's got many different influences with beans, chili, it's got some carrots, it's got everything in there, but it's spicy, delicious goodness, and enjoyed with some pap. Now we're removing the pap today, adding some delicious pasta, bake it in the oven, and then we're going to give it a taste. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you do, drop a like down below, comment, and subscribe. Let's get cooking. For our boerewors, we are using some delicious grabo boerewors. Let's get this into our cast iron. We're going to cook this until it's nice and just juice to exit the meat. Okay, so you can see I nicely browned the boerewors on both sides. I flipped it around off camera, but I didn't cook it all the way. It's nice and firm. It's still got a lot of juice inside. We didn't puncture it or anything like that. Some of the juice came out the end here. What we're going to do now is we're going to chop it up into fine discs, and we're going to add it back into this pan to absorb the rest of that sauce and also add our chakalaka. There we go. Okay, perfect. So before our sausage goes back in, or our wors goes back inside, I'm going to use this oil that's in here with that delicious flavor to cook up some freshly cut bird's eye chili as well as some garlic. Some fresh black pepper. Bit of salt. A little dash of some coriander powder. And some homemade steak spice. And now for our chakalaka, I'm taking the cheetah's root. So Koo has recently brought out this chakalaka with sweet corn. This is absolutely amazing. I've tried it before. Had it with pap, wors, pap and steak, anything with pap is quite good. So we're just going to pop this open. You can make your own fresh chakalaka if you guys want to see a video on that. I can do one of those as well. It's not a problem. But for the sake of the video, let's pop this open and add our can of sweet corn chakalaka. Just gonna settle all of this down, and we're gonna let it simmer to about 5. Going into the oven as well. Yeah, I know I spilled some flour on my butter there, but it's okay. Nothing too major. We're going to be making the delicious bechamel sauce. I was contemplating making a tomato sauce, but I thought there's already tomatoes. We can do with some thick white sauce. I think that would be quite nice. You want to remove all the lumps and bumps. We don't want a chunky bechamel. And quite a bit of some freshly ground black pepper. Give it a mix. Oh, look at that. Thick, beautiful consistency, and it smells amazing. That's going to do so much for our pasta. I'm just worried that if I put the chakalaka with the sausage, it's not really going to bind together and it's not going to have a great mouthfeel. So I think this will bring everything together. You'll see there's some pasta water. We don't mind the pasta water. The starch is nice. It thickens everything up. Let's get our pasta out of here. And there we have it. So that is our everything. We're going to pop it into the oven now for about 15 minutes and get it nice and crispy on top. It's got a very spicy, sweet chakalaka smell with that cheesy goodness still bubbling here and there. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to let this cool down for about 2 minutes before I give it a taste. Or we can do it now and just see how stringy the cheese is. I think that's a better idea, yes. Okay, let's go ahead and give it a taste. I want to be weird and dig it right in the middle, but, you know, for peace of mind's sake, let's grab a little piece here from the side. Oh, wow. Oh. There we go, we got a trio. Some pasta, chakalaka, sausage, cheese, and I made some pasta on the side. Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. That is so good. It's almost got a taste of like a chorizo pasta. It's very, very nice. And then you've got this sweet aftertaste of that sweet corn from the chakalaka, and also the spiciness with the garlic flavor from earlier, and then the cheese and the bechamel sauce just melts it together. It's so good. Wow. Well, that's it, guys. If you want to see anything new in upcoming videos, please drop it in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.